Hey everybody, it's Captain Drew Cavanaugh here from Florida Inshore Fishing Charters, and today I'm going to do a review over the PB2520 by Echo, the two-cycle gas-operated blower. 70 decibels is what it's rated at, so it's not too loud, not too, it's just about perfect for recreational or, non-commercial use, I guess I'd like to say. Living here in Florida, we year-round have leaves and dirt and sand that we're always blowing off, but as another thing that you can use it for, that I use it quite a bit for, and here's your professional tip along with the review, is when you wash your boat or RV or car, just like when you go to a car wash, it's got the blower, man, you can use this to blow off all the water off the vehicle, then dry it, saves you some time there. But the one thing I like about the Echo line of products that I have, and I've got a lot of them, between chainsaws, weed eaters, hedgers, all that kind of stuff, is what's the number one thing that you like when you go out to grab one of your tools like this, whether it's a blower, chainsaw, or whatever? What's the one thing that you like that I know you're like me? It starts. So one thing I've noticed is this thing starts without any problems. That right there is a selling point. I like it. It's also powerful enough to blow. A lot of times we use it for yard work instead of raking. So that's full decibel right there. I don't know if you can hear me. It's got a trigger right there where you can keep it on full blast, like if you wanted to. If you didn't want to squeeze the trigger right here. Oh, turned it off. You can squeeze this trigger and it stays on. But again, it's the Echo PB2520. If you're looking for a good, reliable leaf blower, man, you can't go wrong with this product. I highly recommend you get it. Everybody have a great day, and thank you for watching.